Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find messages settings on your account on Roblox easy and quick. First, click here. Now here as you see you will find it, you will find messages settings. That's it. Here you can manage your messages settings, and that's it. That's how to find messages settings on your account on Roblox easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.